Welcome to Mind Blown, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of psychology. This video delves into the intriguing realm of perception and how it shapes our reality. So, what is perception? Perception, the way we interpret and make sense of the world around us, is a fundamental aspect of human psychology. Our brains process an immense amount of information every second, shaping our understanding of reality. But did you know that what we perceive isn't always an accurate representation of what's truly there? Consider optical illusions, like the famous Rubens vase. What you see may depend on how your brain interprets the visual cues. What did you see first? A vase or two faces in profile? This phenomenon highlights the complex interplay between our eyes and brain, showing that perception is not always a straightforward process. The influence of culture on perception. Our cultural backgrounds significantly impact the way we perceive the world. Cultures shape our beliefs, values, and even our visual interpretations. For instance, studies have shown that people from different cultures may focus on distinct elements within the same image. Take gestures, for instance. A thumbs up may mean approval in Western cultures, but can be offensive in others. These subtle differences in perception highlight the powerful influence of culture on our understanding of the world. The psychology of memory. Memory plays a crucial role in shaping our perception. Our brains filter, store, and recall information based on past experiences. But how reliable is our memory, and how does it impact our perception of reality? Eyewitness testimonies in legal cases often showcase the fallibility of memory. Studies have shown that our recollections can be influenced by external factors, such as the use of leading questions, resulting in the creation of false memories. This illustrates the delicate relationship between memory and perception. Cognitive biases in decision-making. Our brains are prone to cognitive biases, mental shortcuts that influence our decision-making processes. Understanding these biases is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of human perception. Consider the confirmation bias, where we tend to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs. This can lead to distorted perceptions and impact the way we make decisions, hindering our ability to see the bigger picture. The role of emotions in perception. Emotions color our perception, influencing how we interpret events and situations. From joy to fear, our emotional state can alter the way we perceive the world around us. Imagine walking alone in the dark. Your heightened fear may cause you to perceive harmless sounds as potential threats. This emotional influence on perception demonstrates the intricate connection between our emotions and the way we see the world. As we wrap up our journey into the fascinating world of perception, remember that our minds are both incredible and complex. The way we perceive the world shapes our reality, and understanding the intricacies of psychology allows us to navigate this journey with a clearer perspective. If you enjoyed this exploration into the psychology of perception, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mind Blown for more mind-boggling content. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and until next time, keep exploring the depths of your own mind. Thanks for watching.